How to download Windows 10 ISO directly from Microsoft homepage. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to walk you through a simple yet crucial process, how to download the Windows 10 ISO directly from the Microsoft homepage. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser that is on your computer. Here type to search, download Windows 10. Hit enter on your keyboard. Click to open this first page of Microsoft. Once you're on the Microsoft homepage, right-click anywhere on the page and then select Inspect. Move up here and click on this option. Now on the Dimensions Responsive option. Click and choose Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Now, let me refresh the page. OK, move up here on the size. Click and choose 200% to make the page bigger. Click to close this Inspect tab. Now move down and select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO. Click on Confirm. Here select the language and then click on Confirm again. Select any bit version that you want download. Then, the disk image will start to download. So that's it. Depending on your internet connection speed, the download may take some time to complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. And we'll see you in the next one.